Welcome to Wall Street Survivor. In this tutorial video, we'll show you how to place a stock order in our stock market simulator. To trade a stock, go to Stock Game on the main menu. Click on Stocks to get to the trading page. In your practice portfolio, you'll start with 100,000 virtual dollars you can use to buy and sell US stocks and ETFs. You will also be able to practice trading options and cryptos, which we cover in other tutorial videos. To place your first trade, you'll need to enter the ticker symbol of the stock you want to buy. If you aren't sure what the symbol is, you can start typing a company name, and a list will appear with symbols that match. Once you see the one you want on the list, click it, and the stock quote will appear. A stock quote will include the logo of the company you're looking to buy. You will see key information about the company, including the legal name, the last price, the bid and ask prices, the day's range, and the trading volume. When you purchase shares in a company, you pay the ask price, and when you sell a stock, you pay the bid price. The day's range shows you how much this stock has been going for today, and the volume shows how many of these shares have traded in the real markets. You can only buy and sell stocks that have trading volume, so if the volume is low, your order probably won't fill unless somebody in the real world starts trading it. Beside the company details, you can see a simple or advanced performance chart displaying the stock's price movements over different intervals of time. With the simple option, the chart will be red if the stock is losing money and green if it's making money today or the last time the market was open. Click on Advanced to see a candlestick chart that you can use to see longer-term trends. Use the plus and minus buttons or the arrow buttons to navigate. Below the trading window, you will see more information about the company. Starting with the company profile, you can click on Company News to review business articles that explain major company decisions that may have an impact on the share price. The analyst rating will display the average recommendations about whether this is a strong sell or strong buy for investors. Dive into the weeds in the Price History tab to perform more technical analysis on the recent price movements. For anyone interested in functional analysis, use the financial statements to view the income statement, cash flow statement, and balance sheet over a quarterly or annual period. Depending on the company, you can access statements for the last few years or decades. Click on Detailed Quote to get even more information to help you make an informed decision. When you're ready to proceed, enter the quantity, which is the number of shares you want to buy. There are no fractional shares. You must use whole numbers. As soon as you enter a quantity, your estimated cost will update, which is going to be your quantity times the stock's last price. Press Preview to update your estimated cost to include your commission charges. This is the total amount that will be deducted from your cash balance if you place the order. You can add a trade note with the order, where you explain some of your rationale for picking this stock at this price. Once you have a note written and you are content with the order, click Confirm to place it. If you don't know what to trade, you can use the buttons lower down on the trading page to get some ideas. The first button will take you to the New York Stock Exchange market movers. The next will bring you to the top performing ETFs, and the last button takes you to the Trading Ideas page. From here, you'll see a list of popular stocks. Click on the Refresh button to get an updated list. If you want to learn more about any of the ticker symbols, click on the little icons to be taken to the Quotes page. Click Buy, and you'll go back to the stock trading page with this ticker symbol loaded and ready to go. From the Trading Ideas page, you can also use our Wealth Wizard to help you build or analyze your portfolio. The Wealth Wizard is designed to assist you with your investment strategy. You can find the Wealth Wizard on the Trading Ideas page as well as from the Stock Trading page and the Open Positions page. Hover over it and a dialog box will open, guiding you through a series of questions. These questions will help define the type of portfolio you want to build, covering your risk tolerance, how much money you want to invest, the number of companies you want to invest in, which industries, and your desired dividend yield. At the end, the Wealth Wizard will craft a prompt you can then copy and paste into your favorite AI platform, such as ChatGPT, to get tailored stock recommendations and analysis. If you have any questions, you can reach our help desk by clicking the icon next to your username. You can create a ticket that will receive updates directly to your inbox on Wall Street Survivor. Thanks for watching.